In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a headlight on a Subaru Forester. It's located in the front of the vehicle. First step is to remove the grill. The grill clips onto the top radiator support. All you need to do is take a trim tool here, push straight out, and pull. Now we're moving over to this trim piece that goes around your headlamp. It's held on by these two fasteners. Pull straight up. Sometimes they come apart in two pieces. Put that off to the side. Do the same thing for this. Straight up, put it off to the side. Then you have a clip right below that here. You just want to put a trim tool in there, push straight out. Then you can just pull this trim piece straight out. You have a clip on the other side that comes straight out. You have two 10mm bolts, one up top, one down here. You need to remove both of those. After you remove those two 10mm bolts, you want to pull your headlight straight out towards you. Right behind here, you have your headlamp plug. Just pull straight out like that. Then you have three connectors. You need to remove those for your other bulbs. This one has a button right here. You just want to push down on that button and pull straight up. Same thing for this one, right there. Push that, pull straight up. This one has a clip here. You want to take a pick, lift up on the clip, and pull straight out. There's your headlamp. Before you install your headlamp, you want to notice where your adjuster is. That's this piece right here. So once you install your headlamp, you go from behind here, it's a 10mm, and you do your adjustment. Install your three connectors. And then your headlamp connector. This is a good time to check all these connections, make sure they're not corroded. This one looks good. To install your headlamp, just push straight forward and line up your two 10mm bolts. And then tighten them. After you tighten those two 10mm bolts, you want to line up your tab here, your tab there, to the two holes. Clip your bezel in. Then we'll install your two clips. One there, one there. And then your centerpiece. Your grill has these tabs. Line them up with your holes and push forward. Make sure it's clipped in and secure.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all four tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.